Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin on the iPhone because the watch uses your paired wallet. Open Wallet and tap the plus to add a debit card now. When prompted, scan the card or type in its number and expiration. This speeds verification. Once done, the bank may ask you to confirm by text, app notification, or phone call. Follow that step immediately. Make sure your Apple Watch is paired to this iPhone and has the latest watch OS so it can receive the card after verification. Now move the verified debit card onto the watch using the iPhone's Watch app. Open Watch, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, and choose Add next to that card. The app sends encrypted card credentials to the watch. This takes a few seconds. Follow any additional prompts for issuing bank agreements or security checks. Make sure your watch has a secure passcode set because Apple Pay on Watch requires it. Without a passcode, the card won't activate, and you can't use contactless payment. To pay, double-click the watch side button, select the debit card if needed, and hold the face near the contactless reader until you feel a tap or see done. Once done, your bank processes the payment as a debit transaction tied to that card. If a transaction is declined, make sure the card shows as active in Watch Wallet and the reader supports contactless NFC. If problems persist, restart the watch, recheck verification messages from your bank, and contact the bank to confirm there are no holds or limits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.